All right. Good morning, guys. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Morning, J Hard, Terrence. Good morning, Juan in the chat. Corey, Chris. Nope, not Chris. Dia Deeks. Dia D. Fishon, Neath. What's up? Fifth. You guys are counting what place y'all come in or what? Morning, Amy Young on Tradecaster. Hanish over there posting the BXRX news. Positive analysis of phase 2 randomized trial. Morning, Diddy. So BXRX does look good, and Grom also looks good. I think both of these stocks can make decent moves. I really want to hit a good short today though, because I've had 2 red days and a small green the last 3 days in my short account. So I need to bump it up a little bit. So I'm hoping some of these give us some nice run. BXRX, obviously good news. I think this one has, let me see. Yeah, this one has a little bit more room on the daily. I could see this thing going. I have a couple of lines up here. So right now it's getting stuck at 6, but I got a couple spikes, 658, 764, and then before that this dog used to be 30, 40 bucks. So this thing could get a little bit of attraction. Morning Elvanar, morning everybody else. Terrence, loving the course. Awesome, appreciate it, man. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Morning and Joker on TikTok. What's up? What broker are you using? TD Ameritrade as a broker. What's up, Estian Rose? What's up, everybody on TikTok? So far, Jim Hinkle, I want to see you're nice and green for the year. So far, yeah, everyone hit that like button. Thank you, Terrence. Everybody on YouTube, as you guys are coming in, please hit the like button. Good morning, Fat G. Good morning, Sergio. Small caps. So we got BXRX. BXRX is looking pretty nice right now. This thing could break through 6, go for another leg. I also really like Grom, and Grom I just like it because of the daily. This thing had a gap fill on the daily, ended up closing it. $3 was the top of it, ended up going right past it, and now it's holding at like 350. Um, Hit a high of 422. This stock, could run or could just top out and then sell back down to 3. I'm not sure yet, but if BXRX is strong, this one can be strong too. A couple of other stocks, PYPD. This one sold off. This one I would not look for long unless we got over VWAP. IMBS, this was that stock yesterday that I was also fighting all day long. Um, if it keeps holding this 1-1 level down here, this thing could run. This is the one that I thought somebody was buying. Somebody was holding it up themselves. This thing could go for another run, but even this morning it barely ran. Had a nice little flag there. This looked like 3 in the morning. No way. BBUI kind of popped up again. Don't expect a lot. Well, then again, I said that out of GNS yesterday. As a matter of fact, let me see what GNS did today. GNS honestly doesn't look bad for another short again. Hasn't really given out that 275 level, so I would love to see GNS down to 275. But we shall see. Let me see. Good morning, Zach. Morning to Mimi. Morning, everybody else coming in. You guys hit the like button over on YouTube. You guys have any stocks you want me to look at real quick? We got time, 9 minutes before market opens. Morning, Kylie Dedris on TikTok. What you looks for reading level 2? Thanks. What you looks for reading level 2? Thanks in advance. If I'm reading level 2, I'm looking at the Ask. Most of the times, the Ask wall. Good morning, Chicago. Blair, I see you typing. Ready to hit light speed, Blair. I'm already getting hot. I was super cold and I turned the heater on and a little portable heater here. Well, I say portable heater. It's just like a A hand looking heater thing. There goes BXRX again. I know a couple of you guys were already taking some trades pre-market, so BXRX is still going strong. The only thing is the commissions are pretty, locate fees are pretty expensive for a lot of these stocks popping up right now. So let me see, what is BXRX? Yeah, this is getting hot. BXRX daily. This is the one, I see a lot of spikes, a lot of sell-offs on the stock, but it's so beaten down, it scares me. And it's a day one runner here, so this thing might actually pop and hold, especially with the trend we've been seeing recently with all these penny stocks, GNS, LYT, INBS, even GNS again yesterday, twice. So I'm interested on both Chrome and BXRX right now. Now, as far as Tesla, we got 7 minutes. I'll go over my Tesla plan. I do think everything needs to pull back a little bit. Everything rallied so hard yesterday. I don't think we're gonna go for new highs today. So I feel like Tesla and SPY, any little bit of a pop, you could get right back down. You could short it right back down. But I'll take a look at the Tesla chart here in a second. This is not Forex. This is stocks. Platform is TD. TD Ameritrade is a broker. Thinkorswim is a platform. BXRX is still running. I see it. So BXRX, if $6 keeps holding, this will be good. If we lose $6, this thing could just fade or have a nice pullback. Tesla could be resistance 142.90s, says Blair. Draw your trend line on BXRX. Oh, just like simple trend line like this. That is kind of uptrending in a channel too. This is what I'm seeing on BXRX. Tamimi. Dragon Trader, what's up, man? Taking money, let's get it. You're already up, bro. BXRX near all-time high should be nice short. BXRX, depending how far you're looking at, but on my daily chart, it's not even. Well, yeah, I have a daily chart here, and this thing shows, because of how many stock splits there used to be, it shows price of like in the thousands. But I see some lines up here. Could try 650s, could try 760s on this stock. If this thing wants to run, this thing really might open up, but we'll see. Grom is one that I was interested to short, but looks like Grom is already pulling back. Good job, Tech and Money. Good job. We got 4 minutes till market opens. Oh, Tesla. Blair said 142.90s. So for Tesla, I see what you're looking at. 42.80s, 90s right there. I could see a little higher just because yesterday's close was like 143. 143.75. But ultimately, I do think this one can pull back down. And honestly, if it loses this 141.26, you could see it right here. Support, 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 support. This 141.26 kind of area level there. I think this one might, if this one does give out here, you could find a nice trade here back on down to 140, 139. I could even see this thing pull down to 137 and a half again, but maybe not today. Maybe not today, maybe not today, but looks like it. Morning, Kevin. Fadji, heck yeah, well done, Taking Money. Awesome, awesome. Hope all is well, Taking Money. Taking Money is killing it. SPY gap down, yep. Tesla looks like it's also gap down. I bet a lot of these large gaps are a gap down. BXRX is still holding. Unfortunately, Grom is not. Grom, I would like to see a pop on Grom to short it back down to 3. Morning, Jessica. Crypto Wire. GNS, again, I don't expect a lot out of GNS, but I said that yesterday and then this thing ended up rallying. But, I mean, it rallied, hit a new high, pulled back under 5. I think this thing really needs to just end up being done. And so, again, if I get a nice pop on GNS, I really might be jumping in on that one short too. Morning to trader, taking money between Haun's course and live trades. I've learned a lot over the last few months. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Justin, what's up, man? I think I am gonna have to lose the beanie already. Tesla rip. Yep, watch it back up to 143.75. Got about a minute left till market open, so I'm watching. I do want to watch Tesla, but I think we got a lot of good stocks in play on the penny stocks. We could get BXRX to rip. We could get Grom to turn around. We could get INBS to finally make a move. We could GNS. You don't know that. I think that's it. Oh, COSM is another one. This one held sideways all day yesterday, so I'm putting alert on that one in case that one wants to get back up. HLBZ, I think I also HLBZ as well. I'm putting alert this one a little bit under 50 cents. Market's about to open here in 16 seconds. I want to see if Grom or BXRX have a quick switch bias, or if BXRX keeps holding. BXRX still holding. Grom kind of selling off there, but BXRX is still holding. So BXRX just went red to green. They're trying to go for the next leg up. SPY is at that 143.75. BXRX, if this candle holds here, you could get that next candle to rip. Wow, BXRX held two flushes already, kind of. That is a large cap, not small cap one. What happened? Which one? TSM? Looks like BXRX already tried flushing twice real quick at the open, and it keeps holding $6. So watch this one. I'm not shorting yet, but I want to see if this thing really can rip out of this 650, 58 and maybe go up to 7. Tesla went right up to 143.75 and turned back around. Wow. Would I short at 7? I want to see if this thing does get some little parabolic action to 7, and then I definitely would have, but it already wants to fade back down, which I did not get an entry on. I couldn't have even taken a trade there long or short if I wanted to. Like I couldn't tell which way it was going. It seemed like it wanted to flush twice and held $6 and wanted to go for a run, but it never did. I would like to see this one try to go for another push for me to short it. People are going to be, a lot of buyers are going to be down here, like $5, $5.50, so. Tesla though, Tesla's still pushing lower, so that 143.75 rejected. Grom still keeping an eye on if this one wants to turn back around. INBS trying to push a little bit. Morning Rome C. Let's get off to a green start today, Rome C. If Tesla reclaims 143.75, it might get interesting, but Grom is trying to push a little bit. Here goes BXRX still. BXRX trying to get back above again. If BXRX gets over $6, that could be a nice trade for the long side. Through highs, you can get 50 cents there real quick. Rome C starting off green. Good job, man. BXRX wants to find a low right there, but it cannot keep running. This is not even a good entry that I would take to the long side yet. I would really want us to get over that $6. Here goes BXRX. Watch this move over 6. Does it get stuff or do we get a nice... So again, I don't know what's going on over here. Watch BXRX. Watch it. Oh, Tesla back up to 143. Watch BXRX squeeze. Over 6, you could get a nice squeeze. If you pop over 6, hold 6, you could get a nice squeeze to high a day. You see how 6 right here, my line at 6, I had it at 604, but 604 is holding so far. You cannot get out of this level. Tesla, 2 rejections at 143.75. That could not be any clearer. I would be looking for the short on Tesla on that rejection of 143.75. BXRX here trying to get over 6 again. Looking for this maybe squeeze to high down BXRX, and maybe this actually wants to rally or wants to stuff. This is a 6 move here. I might even take this long. Nope, no chance. And into a halt. Into a halt. There was no pullback there, unfortunate. Alright, Tesla, watch. Tesla rejected 143.75 twice. Now it's trying to reject VWAP, so I joined in some shorts here on Tesla. Looking for this move back down to 142. Still holding this Tesla. I could see this thing bottom out here, but I want to see the move back down to 141 here on Tesla. So I'm still short here, Tesla. Have 300 shares short. I have a good cost basis, so I probably will just see if this thing wants to keep running lower. Oh, wow, that thing just wicked me out. That thing actually just wicked me out. Green Blair's green 126. Good job, good job. So Tesla rejected that 143.75 a couple of times, which is what I was looking at up here, right? Rejected it twice. So here I would not be opposed to taking some shorts. I already took one there. I was up 300, closed it at 78. But I could see Tesla still rejecting here and move down to that 141. BXRX is halted. Unless this thing reclaims 143 or wants to take another attempt there, then yeah. GNS, if you want to play it long, probably not until above $5. That was going to be hard. But Tesla, if we want to go again for 143, so now you can see the pattern, right? So either we get out of 143 and take the long, or either we break this area here to the downside and take the short down to 141. Here goes 143 again on Tesla. Look at the volume on these candles. As it pushes up to 143, the volume is pretty low. What time did BXRX halt at? So we got to keep that in mind. BXRX halted at 38.18. Alright, so Tesla, do we break this 143.75, go long, or do we reject it again and actually pull back down to 141? 938.18, yeah, I saw it, so it should resume at 43, right? 43. Why is TSM halted? Wait, why do I have a lot of tickers in my halt scanner? Are all of those actually halted? So 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Yes, so BXRX will be resuming at 43. GNS again, $5 wouldn't be interested. INBS, you know, kind of flushing, kind of holding. Over 150 can get interesting on INBS. Grom, I don't think Grom is going to make a huge comeback today. If anything, that one should have been a short there. No shorts for me there. BXRX, though, I do want to catch a short on this one when this one starts topping out. Tesla, again, now it looks like it wants to flag here for the rip up to 143.75. Here goes. No clean trades here, so I'm not getting chopped around. I'm going to wait for this thing to either break 143 or reject 143. What time is it? 8:42. Oh, BXRX is going to be live though. And if this thing pops up pretty nice, gets extended, I might be looking for the next short, or for the short. 43.18, so we got about 30 seconds here. I'm still watching Tesla on my side chart though. That 143.75. If you get a nice close up there, you could chase it long. See if you pull away 144, 145. What halt scanner are you using? Trade Ideas, but it looks weird today. I don't know if all of those are actually halted. It doesn't. It says resume, 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 but I doubt all of those halted today. It looks weird. Okay, BXRX is gonna go live here, so I'm watching BXRX. No short there. I'm looking for the big extension if this thing wants to get it up to $7. Now that $7 is right there. So Tesla broke out at 143.75. Look at this. Pull back to this area on Tesla. I'm long. Tesla pulls down to this whole area down here. I'm long. So I did get some short. Okay, here goes Tesla. I'm looking for this drop here. Looking for this pullback here. I want to see if I can catch a nice dip here and see if we get one more run out of here. There's a bunch of buy orders coming through. Adding, see if I get a new high of day. There it goes. Do I get the high of day? There it goes. Taking some out. 400 shares left now. I want to see a nice pull away. I don't want to see a stuff. Nope, it's stuffing. Still holding 300 shares. Still holding 300 shares. See if I get the big push. I want to see 145 on Tesla. This is what being patient, guys. You saw me. Either I'm gonna wait until we break 143.75 or we break the lows here. And here's my trade. Here's my trade. Looking for this thing to keep pushing though. We got 5 seconds left. Want to have a nice strong close over these levels here. 144.5. If we hold 145, there we go. New high coming in. Taking some off. 200 shares left. Here goes the new high. Here goes 145. There's 145. Taking some off there. 100 shares left. It's about 40 bucks of profit at break even. So let's do that. Oh, that is not a low break even. Dang. If I get pushed through 145, I'm fully out. Let's see if I can. No, I won't get 500 bucks out of this trade. Unless this thing pushes up to $1,000. Just want to see if I get a push through 145 with this candle here. If not, I'm out. There's 144.98, 96, 97, 99, 97. There's 12. And oh, I might get 500. I did get 500 bucks off this trade. I'm fully out. $505 on Tesla. 145 and some change. Good job. Good job. And then I did jump in on BXRX, but I didn't jump in big share size. That's a little unfortunate. I did not jump in some big share size. I took this small. I have some shares still available, but to short, to click it again. But, ugh. Nice one. Still killing Tesla. Man, Tesla's easy money. Tesla is honestly easy money. Now watch Tesla though, because oh, that is the almost high of day, right? Wait, hold on. Yeah, Tesla. Dude, that was a bad mistake on my end. I didn't realize we were that close to high of day again. 146. You could have gone. I could have held to 146.50. Yeah, that was bad. I did not think the high was that close. Okay, this halted at 44.24, so you resume at 49.24. Right? 4 plus 5 is 9. Yeah, that was a mistake on my end. I did not zoom out. Tesla had room to a high of day pre-market. I should have known. I should have held a tiny bit more. I don't know why. I don't know why I looked at 145. I thought we had sold off a lot of yesterday, so I did not think we were that close. Anyways, BXRX. I hope this one actually now fades down. I hope this thing doesn't pull out a GNS, LYT, or what was INBS kind of stock where it halts down and then comes right back into a halt up. Because that will be pretty frustrating. I do have some shares available to short, so if it tried popping, I might hit it more short, but I'm going to be careful on this one if this thing wants to reverse. We got 24 seconds, so we got time. There's Tesla new high of day. Do you guys see my mistake there? You guys see exactly what I'm talking about? Blair said he's done. Joking, 126, paper train the rest of the day. Good job, good job. Mara and Riot popping, so Bitcoin's popping up a little bit. That flush on BXRX caught some people for sure. Yeah, so I want to see if people are going to either panic sell out of this. This resumed here in about 5 seconds, 4 seconds now. So BXRX I'm watching. I want to see if I get a little pop. Don't go back into a halt. Back up. No way this is holding. I have to close that at break even. This thing is going to do the same thing the other stocks did. There's no way. There's no way this thing does it. It might. This thing actually might go all the way back up to a new high. This is holding that 604 still. Remember that 604 level? This is holding $6. This thing could go. It's a little bit lighter volume and coming out of a halt, but it's still holding that $6. Holo was the only smart short today. I didn't even look at that ticker today. Tesla, look for the rejection of that previous high. If you get a lower high, you could short that back down. I have to check out Holo Diddy, but I have not been doing good the last 2 days on my shorts. I was killing it at first. Got a good head start, so I'm still decently green on that account since I opened it. But back in some Nvidia puts, yeah, I could see the rejection on Tesla, on SPY as well. I think we're under that 400, right? I'm not gonna chase this one down. If this popped up again, I will short it, but I can't chase it. Yeah, so SPY is under, what is that line? 400. So SPY could go from underneath 400 to test 400 and reject it. So Holo, let me look at Holo. Oh, well, I guess if you short it pre-market. Tesla, I could see that same 146 level reject up here. So if this thing tries to push up and just doesn't get a new high, I could be shorting Tesla up here. Yesterday we had a huge day. I don't know that we're going to do the same thing again today. So I am a little bearish. Kexit is GG on BF. When I said hurry, it wasn't. So I'm trying to scale into Tesla short up here. If this thing wants to squeeze faster this level, I'll get out. But but I want to see if Tesla wants to reject this high of day and create a lower high here. This thing could stuff right away and go down to 145 is what I'm looking for. If this takes out high day and starts squeezing pretty good, I will be out of this trade here. BXRX is still pushing down. I'm not frozen, am I? No, I'm not. Felt like I was frozen there for a second. My short people, what are you guys hitting today, or where did you guys hit today? Yeah, I think my Thinkorswim froze there on Tesla too, but I looked at my other account and it wasn't frozen, so that okay, yeah, this might I don't know. So that's why I was like I'm not frozen, right? Cuz I think my stream was good. So you can see now the change of direction a little bit. Like it tries to. I'm not saying it's going to move down, but as soon as these things spiked right here, it instantly starts showing red orders on the tape. So I'm looking for this thing to now take this new low here and then go down. If this thing squeezes to a new high, I'm out. But I'm looking for first candle make a new low. There we go here, right there, and then see if we get to move back down all the way down to, there we go. I need this to continue going lower. If this wants to bottom tick this thing and push right back up, I'll get out. But I'm looking for this right here to continue down. Give me an extra $100 here. There it goes. Up and one. Well, I'm taking some out just in case. SPY is right at $400, trying to reject it. Tesla selling, pulling off here, pulling down. There we go. I want this low right here, 145.50s. 145.60s right there. There's 145.50, 48 there. Taking some profit out there. Oh my god, GNS, of course. So I have 200 shares left. 200 shares left is up $200 right now. But I just don't think Tesla can go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Please like derail off the charts and just go straight back down to 140. I don't know what to do. No, BXRX, dude, I'm gonna cry because my shorting account, I can't take good shorts, bro. It's like I lost it all. Look at BXRX, man. It's like I hit every single stock in the last 3 days on the way up. I hit GNS, I hit LYT, I hit NIBS on the way up every single day, and I could not get one to fade. And now the one that I didn't, and I got stopped out, literally a $10 loss because it was a break-even trade on BXRX. Now that thing is down like almost $2 a share. Jeez, man, jeez. I should have covered some down here on Tesla. I was too busy complaining. But SPY is going green to red. So I want to put a stop here. I'm up like $830 on this trade right here. You're dying over here. Hey, what's up? What's your question, man? My platform is Thinkorswim. Bro, you telling me to read the chat when I'm in the middle of a trade? Give me a second. I'm making money, dude. Look at this 145 rejected on Tesla now. This might be the best runners I'll hold if this thing cracks all the way down through VWAP, all the way down to 141. If I get a flush to VWAP, I'll cover 50 shares and then leave 100 running. Am I setting the green lines on Thinkorswim? Which green lines? Like that green line, like my resistance, or am I setting... Hold on. This green line. That green line. These, I'm doing them myself. How would that be automatic? That'd be crazy if I had automatic levels to watch. Man, Tesla's looking weak right now. If we cannot get out of this 145 and SPY rejected that 400 bucks, I could see SPY back down to 398, 399. I could see Tesla back down to this range down here where it opened up. Yeah, this thing could bounce. This thing could bounce here and went right back up to highs, but I'm gonna chill here with 100 shares short and follow this down. I don't want to lose a lot of this 100 bucks because just 100 bucks is up 200 bucks right now. Look at this. Do I get $1,000 with the 100 bucks? Am I gonna get $1,000 today? Am I gonna get $1,000 today? Am I gonna make $1,000 today? Am I gonna get $1,000 right now? Can I make 4-digit number today? Can I make a 4-digit number right here? 999. Watch this. Precision at its finest right here. Watch this. Precision at its finest right here. Watch this. Precision at its finest right here. Watch this. There's no way. Watch this precision right here at its finest. I'm out. $1,006. $1,000. $1,006. $1,006.46. What the heck? I did it! $1,000 with shares on Tesla trading. I did it. Get this thing out of my face, bro. Did you guys watch that precision at its finest right there? Did you guys see that precision at its finest right there? Man, this thing could still keep going lower. I mean, I could see this thing still rejecting this 143.75 now. I just wanted to get out for fun, but plus it could pop back up again a little bit, but man, BXRX is upsetting me though. There we go. There we go. Blowing up the chat. Blowing up the chat. Let's go, baby. Done for the day. Dang, and Rome C closed out those NVIDIA puts for 32%. Everybody telling me congrats. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate all the support. You guys coming in here, so appreciate all that. Appreciate you guys staying active on the chat. So who said it all? KZO1, Fat G. Good job, good job. Qbit, Terrence, a new course member, loving it. Let me know if you got any questions. Baller trade, hit that double top on Tesla as well. There you go, Alexander. There you go. On Tradecaster, we got Hassan, Blair, Urs, Blair, Arjun, Hassan, Amy, Blair. Urs, what's up? What's up? Yeah, see, this thing is still going lower. Sergio, thank you, guys. This is the range that I want to start falling into every day now. $1,000 to $2,000 a day is what I want. So, W's in the chat. Where did you learn how to trade? On my own, bro. I learned how to trade on my own. Thank you, Tony. Thank you. Do you prefer large or small cap? I still like both of them. If I see good setups on the small caps, they're definitely more fun. You know, it's like I'm buying in, and then 3 seconds later, oh my God, I'm up 1,500. You know, with this Tesla stuff, you know, you got to be patient. It's not a 1-2 minute trade. I took that trade here at 8:53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minutes in that trade. GNS, man. GNS is still holding. Honestly, GNS I want to short, but BXRX is upsetting me. This is my chart, my short chart. I added. This was like 50 size because I wanted to test something. Because I tried shorting it up here and I didn't get filled, and so I tried a small size here. But this one was full size. No, not full size. Half size. And then as soon as it popped up, I just got scared that it was gonna do the same thing that freaking other ones did. So I stopped out and then look at it now. It's always some stupid thing in my head that's like, oh no, I don't want to do that, or I don't want to risk this or risk that or whatever, and then boom, it just the day that it works. But one of these days, I'm gonna know one of those shorts and ride it to the ground. So what are you guys watching? ARDS, nothing here. BBBY, nothing here. INBS, nothing there. PYPD, nothing there. Grom, you know, Grom losing $3 was key, I think. So nothing really there. Man, BXRX, nothing there. Holy crap. HLBZ, okay, there we go. HLBZ. Some of you guys called this HLBZ yesterday. So flat top right now on HLBZ. I don't see a clean entry on here on this one unless you get over that flat top and then you can catch a nice trade up here for that flag over this previous pivot. Maybe that would be the play there, but make sure volume is still strong on that one. GNS, I don't know what GNS is gonna do, dude. I don't think this stock has another high on it, but I just don't know. As a matter of fact, let me see how much the locates are for GNS because I want to see if people are locating this or not at all. Oh, actually, 2 cents a penny. That's not bad. That's actually really cheap on GNS. So I'm actually just going to locate some of those on GNS. Tesla's diving to 140. Oh no. Oh no, dude. Tamimi, what are you thinking on GNS? Whoever you guys are, what do we think on GNS in general? Do we think this thing flags 5 and rips, or do we think this thing is extended again? See, the thing is this. Wait. See, this. You know, this is that first day that it ran so big, and then the next day, it's like nobody's watching it but shorts. unless somebody's holding it up. And that's why every time you get a nice pop, it fails because shorts are in the nut. You get a nice pop, it fails. You get a nice pop, it fails. But this thing just failed, but it went higher low, 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 higher. Look at this, it pops again, fails. You know, it gets nasty flushes because shorts are all over it. That is what I was assuming it would do today. You know, you get a nice pop on this thing, you get a nice parabolic move again, 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 again. You think you're going to get a high, you get buyers excited, and then boom, you smash it right back down. Yeah, Thomas, I do think this one's a short as well. I think the odds are against the buyers on this one, just because I mean, look at this stock; it's still holding from 50 cents to $5, and it just has not pulled back at all. And when it did, it retraced all of it back up. So if this thing was to get back up to 645, oh, I will add bigger on this one if I could. Look at my short look is on GNS for 3 cents per share. There you go, Blair. It's not bad. That's not bad. Watching GNS, I want to see if this thing really wants to start picking volume up. Where's 550? 550 is right there. I was gonna say, look at Tesla and look where my line was on Tesla. I am literally. What is this? I don't even know what. Oh, I drew it from that 141. That was like triple bottom there on Tesla, and look at it. I should have held until that level. I'm gonna put GNS over here. GNS already rejecting some levels up there. Gosh dang it. Let's take a deeper approach to GNS. BXRX long 499 mid medium size, looking to add. Good stuff, good stuff. I don't know how you nail some of these bottoms. Let me see, GNS. So if I zoom out on GNS, what do I see? Let me look at the 5 minute. I see a nice bull flag forming. Off of 5, this thing could be a nice bull flag here. Tesla's still running down for real, man. I let it go. Dang it. How long did it take you to learn? I did research for like 6 to 8 months on my own, and then I started trading real chat. I mean, real money, sorry. Hey, there you go, SVT. Good stuff, man. Break even on the day. It's awesome. Thomas, GNS probably a short, but it's a wild card stock, more of a meme stock, so anything could happen, yeah. Chicago, like I said many times, Juan is a line master, LOL. Nice trades, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Even from the beginning of market open, I knew that 143.73 on Tesla, and it stuffed there twice, but it came right back up for a third time, and I said, you know what? I think this is the one, and so I took that long all the way up, and then I took it short all the way down. GNS is the only thing I'm really interested in. I'm so upset I missed BXRX, bro. Gosh dang it, can't short GNS on TD. No, it's none to borrow. You can only short it on a shortable broker. I almost shorted on this pop too. Gosh dang it, dude. My shorting account is now pissing me off. Like I'm missing trades. Tesla, 141 low. Could keep holding that level. It could just fade through there and go back down to 137. So that would be my next play on Tesla. Right now, where Tesla is, it's either we take the trade above 143.75 again, or below 141.26. So whichever way Tesla wants to go, you could catch a trade up from 143.73 or below 141.26 down. What is HLBZ doing? Oh yeah, HLBZ is a little tough here. Man, BXRX, that's so annoying. What's my YouTube? Should be the link in the TikTok bio. You should find a link there. If not, I think just search Juan Trades and you should be able to find me on YouTube. I'm streaming live there right now, so if you actually go over to YouTube, you can watch me live, and you can see a way better screen than TikTok. And then also post daily recaps. You guys go check out my daily recaps. Hit the like button on them. Ask me any questions on the comments or just anything at all you guys need. For everybody that is new on TikTok or YouTube or Tradecaster, I also offer a course on day trading. I stream live. I made over $1,000 today, so you guys know that I do make money. And actually, I haven't had a single red day all year long. So you guys know that I am legit, not a scammer. So I do offer a course. You get what you pay for. Very valuable. And on top of that, you get to ask me any questions you guys need, any other topics you guys need, anything in general at all, to mentor you while you're in that course. So I've been working with a few of my course members, and just helping them out a lot. So great teacher mentor as well. Thank you, Blair. Thank you. So if you guys are interested, the discount code for that is 150 off. No spaces, 150 off. I am not in any trade right now. I am watching the market right now. Possible trades: Tesla maybe short 143.75, unless we break above it. This GNS, to me, if I just look at this 5-minute chart frame, this screams buy, 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 buy. Why? Because you get a nice push, volume increasing, you get that pullback down to a psychological number $5, and there's absolutely no volume here. Nobody's selling this thing through 5, so this is screaming to me buy. But I know that this stock is on the backside. I know that this stock just popped 4 new highs. I know that the stock is up 1,000% from what it used to be. So it's a little challenging. But even here, look, I know I don't usually look at the EMAs, but the ADMA on the 5 is maybe the only one I look at, and to me this looks almost like a double bottom here. ADMA tap there. This thing could run after 5, so we'll keep an eye on this one. I don't really want to short it down there. I would love a high entry on this, but again, I'm paying a lot of commissions today. Locate fees on my shorting account. Took one short, pretty much break even, lost $10 because of a break even trade, and can't get a decent green on there. So missed BXRX. That's the one that I was in and missed it. Tesla and Microsoft trashed me this morning. What do you look for pre-market for the plays of the day? Pre-market, just overall market sentiment, whether we're bullish or bearish. What do I want to see? I do have a bias coming into the morning. So, for example, today Tesla having such a big run yesterday, having moving up this much, and gapping down today. I was kind of bearish on this thing, but off of 143, I was kind of bearish off of 143 right here. But I saw this stuff here, confirmed it. I saw this stuff here, confirmed it. I tried to short there, and I was up $300 and then went right against me, so I made $78 on that one. And then this thing pushed back up to 143, that same level that was getting stuffed, and finally stuck a nice candle, and so I was like, oh my god, this thing wants to go above 143.75. So I took the log, followed this up, and then at this point I should have realized that this was high of day, so I should have expected to move towards there, but didn't do it, so I was fully out like here. And then I took a very nice short that I ended up adding twice right here. Literally top tick those candles there for the short. The last exit on that trade was right here. So I got from 146.30s down to 142. So, oh my god, about $3 a share on that trade. Dang. Here goes Tesla again, back on down. Honestly, even that, I don't expect Tesla to derail and go back down super low. I honestly think at this point, Making such a big move yesterday, we might not continue that momentum, but bulls are not going to let this pull back a lot. So I could see a range day today. I could see Tesla go sideways all day today. Stay between 140 at the lowest and 145. I could see his trade in this range all day today. So which one's ripping? OTRK? Oh wow, OTRK. This is going parabolic though. Where's the hmm. So OTRK, if this goes parabolic into 130s. If OTRK continues this parabolic move, locates on this one are not even a penny. So I might be looking at this one. You started a short already in OTRK 119, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and locate this one then as well. Locates are so cheap on this one, so I'm just gonna do it anyways and be ready. I do want to see this thing keep this parabolic momentum and see if I can get that flat top level at 131 on the daily to reject. Which one should not go back down, Fat G? Are you talking about BXRX? Hey all, I'm gonna walk away for a bit and get breakfast. Awesome, awesome Blair. Good Green Day today, Blair. Good stuff. OTRK, you already started. Thomas already started short. Oh, Jared Carlson, I sub by the way. Awesome, man. What trading platform is this, and how much does it cost? This is Thinkorswim. TD Ameritrade is a broker. Thinkorswim is a platform. It is completely free. You can open an account. Depends on where you live. You can open an account free, and you can actually do simulated trading completely free as well. Have not started my short on this one, but it is tempting me. It is tempting me. I want to see this thing really push up higher, though. I could see this thing go 130. Let's see if we get a nice rip here again. Oh, so you need $50 to trade on Thinkorswim for the at least. I think you can open the account free, but I think they require a minimum to request live quote data and stuff. And so I think that might be what you need. So if it's $50, then that's why, because you can open the account and do paper trading free. You just don't get the you just don't get the live data. Oh yeah, real time. Yeah, that's what I meant. For my shorts, I use Guardian. I never took a starter on this thing, but it's already looking heavy, so I don't know if I should get just a tiny starter here in case this thing just cannot hold. Because once it gets under $1, I think you can't short it, right? I need to just be really I need to be really patient when I hit my shorts. A lot of the times I took them way too early, and today I was patient on BXRX, but just unfortunately didn't work out. BXRX, I think Fat G, you are trying to buy that dip at $5 on BXRX, right? Doesn't look bad, man. Does not look bad. But you could get a floor wash out of there, so I'd just be careful with that. Amy, paper train today. Good stuff, Amy. Let me see what you guys. You just nailed Tesla again. Really nice short on Tesla. Who did? Me did? Are you watching like 30 minutes behind or what? If BXR breaks that 523 level, it has room to run a bit. Maybe. This one here is also getting kind of stuff here. I could see this thing want to go for another run, which that's fine with me. If you get a nice dip and rip before the wash. Yeah, that happens a lot. Fake a lot of sellers in there. OTRK, still a little drop in here. It cannot flush out of VWAP. That's what I would look. Okay, there it goes. So I did take a starter on this one, but I located like a couple thousand shares and I literally barely jumped in with like a fifth of my size. So that's kind of frustrating. Pretty frustrating actually. But maybe this thing drops all the way back down, so I'm actually just gonna put a stop on this one at break even, and I'm almost gonna just forget about this play. My entry was like 112. I hope this one stays heavy. BXRX kind of a little floor wash there, but it's still not dropping like a rock. So I see it could bounce, but not my type of trade. OTRK, I'm looking for this one to really sell back on down. Tesla's moving back down to that 141. It cannot get over 143 again. Didn't even get close this time. I got like 143.50s or something like that. Let me see, let me see. BF trying to move. I saw somebody call that one out, and I never looked at it, so that's on me. BF's trying to move. I see this. Daily. First thing I look at is always the daily. A lot of volume today. Holy crap. Right? Look at the daily volume compared to every other day. So it is pushing up pretty nice. A lot of resistance at 250. If you look at the daily, all that consolidation previously, 250. So you got to get over 250. So look left here. 251 is what I'm seeing. Kevin, what did Kevin do? Kevin still short on BXRX, 570, dude. What the heck, Kevin? Good stuff, Kevin. Good stuff. GNS popping up still, trying to hold, so I'd really want to see if that one wanted to push back up again. OTRK still in short on this one. I hope that one comes back down slowly. Easy trade. What else do we got? Grom still holding that $3. BXRX, you know, there's that $5 that Fat G is looking at. Stocks provide shorting, crypto doesn't. Okay, bro. I have a question. Why do you prefer stocks over crypto? Stocks, not even that. I just like stocks. Market open is in the morning, so I could just trade for an hour and be done. An hour and a half and be done. 2 hours. I don't know how cryptos trade, but market open is when everybody's trading, so you get the most volume, and that's when you can really just make your money and be done. GNS, you're long 519. Dragon Trader, today is a choppy day. Mikey P, I'm hoping this BXR hold at 475. If you guys are watching on YouTube, make sure you guys hit that like button for me. Appreciate it. HLBZ was another one that was holding, kind of trying to push back up. GNS, that $5 I mentioned, this was screaming buy to me, but it wasn't enough to really push me to take that trade. But I do have locates on this one, right? I do have locates on this one. So I would be interested to see if we get a nice parabolic move here too on GNS. GNS, okay, I got some shares. I got some shares. How's everybody's looking? How's everybody's day looking today? Green, red, break even, no trades. How are we doing, guys? You guys know I'm already killing it, or killed it on Tesla, so I am done with my long account most likely, unless I see an obvious trade on a penny stock, large cap. But this is how I control it, Blair. If I see a good trade, I'll take it. If not, then I'm just gonna go ahead and chill here. Chicago Trader 544 on Tesla. Taking Money's green. QB Trader's green. Thomas is green 500. Corey red 500. Getting chopped around. That's okay, Corey. Rome C is green. Rome C started green, ending green. Or keeping it green, I should say. Bro, I have this one hair here bothering me. That's why you see me picking my face. That's why. Dragon Trader red, $8. That's a small red there. Dragon Trader, get it back, get it back. Mine's red for the first time in a while. There you go, you got it. GNS potential, gunning for new high of day. Dragon, small losses are good. There you go. Rosendo, thinking about calling it for the day, but the market has been so hot lately. Super green. Awesome, man. Super green. I like it. Build a guy red, but not done yet. There you go. Find the next quality setup. Take it. Hassan, big, fat, nice green. The trader green. Dang. Consistency all across the chats. TikTok, anybody trading over there? Ford to fire over 3,200 employees. Dang. I saw a bunch of layoffs in a bunch of companies. Bro, I cannot get GNS again. This thing. I got shorts ready on this one. Did I already get it? GNS, I got shorts on this one. Could take a starter here, maybe. Looking for this 550 to keep rejecting on GNS. You can see 550 GNS is a pretty nice wall, so I might be adding around up here to 550 and see if I can get this thing to push back on down still. OTRK is still dropping, so that's a good stock there. GNS though, every flush it still holds it, so I'm gonna be careful here. I did take some starters here on GNS. I tried getting as close as possible to 550, but couldn't get it. My stop will be right over 550. And my first target would be this $5 down here. No add there. I thought it could squeeze a little more, so didn't add there. That's 2 or 3 candles there that tries to go. It didn't go, so I really would like a nice flush back down to 5. Hopefully I get a nice push back on down. It tried going several times there. If this thing doesn't flush, then I'm going to be thinking the same thing, that somebody's still trying to hold this stock up. Or just a lot of people, just because the stock is still up, probably 800% off the initial push. And somebody held 5 like crazy, holding it 5 down there that long with this little volume. See, volume is dying here, and this thing cannot pull back down. OTRK, I'm still holding it. OTRK it wants to like drop pretty hard there, but it can't. You see that flat bottom at $1 on OTRK? I'm looking for that thing to drop through $1. Somebody else took that OTRK play with me, so I'm holding until we lose $1, hopefully. GNS here still holding higher lows. I'm not in full size yet, but I don't want this thing to rip my face off, because it might. It did it yesterday, and a lot of shorts were not expecting that. I wasn't expecting that. I'm still watching OTRK as well, looking for that flush through 1, or at least lose 1, but here we go. This is where I want the new low on GNS right here. There it goes. Now keep pushing down lower. When I'm trading these little stocks here, shorting like this, you get so many plays that just move so slow, because I'm trading stuff with like not the hottest momentum and volume, and so they just move so slow. Be off going up still. GNS here, need some newer lower lows here. I would love this thing back down to $5. There it goes. That's a nice drop there. I want to continue this though. There we go. Tesla back down to that 141.26 again. That is going to be like the third time this Tesla goes down to that 141.26. Like I said, if we lose that level, we could keep on dropping on Tesla. Could get a nice fade to 140 maybe potentially. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but if you get a clean trade there, maybe you get a retest of that 141.26. It's been a support 3 or 4 times today. So support could turn into resistance, could get a nice trade through there. Oh, watch this. I'm covering some there at 5 just because. I hope GNS just actually sells off the rest of the day. I hope GNS loses $5. I hope this thing loses $5. Oh, let's go. I'm in like 530 something on this one. Covered some, but I'm still in on this trade. Let's see. Oh, there. I just answered your question. Taking money at 532. So I'm somewhere around here. Because when this thing popped up, I tried shorting. I caught a low fill there, and then I tried getting another entry here. But $5 is I need to crack. $5 was my target, so I covered some there. But I do want the crack of 5. If this thing cracks 5, I could. What is OTRK doing? OTRK is still holding $1. I have not covered anything on OTRK. I have covered 0 on OTRK. And then on GNS, I have like 50-60% of my share size. So I did take out a lot because this one it was moving faster. Here, GNS, I would love this crack of $5 here. Fat G, I'm just getting butchered on BXRX. Yeah, you know, when that stock is up that much and just no buyers get in it, I would be careful trying to catch the falling knife. You know, that buyers lost interest on that stock as soon as they lost $6 and as soon as they lost VWAP at 550-ish. You know, it's, at that point, nobody's buying this thing. People are just trying to catch pre-market pivots or stuff like that, kind of like you, and there's way more sellers than buyers on that stock now. Would not be surprised if that one keeps dropping like that or fading, or at least just doesn't pop up above 550 again all day. OTRK though, I'm still in short OTRK. I would love for this one to, both OTRK and GNS, to keep dropping. OTRK kind of lost $1 there now, which is what I was looking for, to lose that dollar, but I'm still holding here. OTRK, I might close half just because this thing is not. But GNS is trying to pop back up, so I gotta be careful with GNS. OTRK, I'm gonna close half because this one just does not want to keep dropping, and I'm impatient. So OTRK here, close, lock in some profit. Okay, so there's that. OTRK, my entry was like 112, so stop. It takes me so long to do it on here. Stop order one. Oh, let's just do something like this. Okay, I like that, I like that, I like that. And so my main watch is still GNS. Alright, GNS. Alright, what you guys got? What you guys got? Boff. Let me take a B. Let me take a look at Boff. Boff, that. Oh, okay. So that 250 did hold. That 250 did hold. I mean, did break. So BF has got pretty decent volume on the day. There's a couple flat tops here on this one, like 320s, 323s is what I'm seeing. Are you guys asking because you guys want to short it as well? I'm pretty sure I was emotionally invested in BXRX back. Yeah, I'm trying to learn more about large caps, Kevin. Do it, man. Oh, that sucks, Fat G. It's okay, man. It's okay, man. You've had a lot of great green days. Break even day does not hurt that much, or small red day does not hurt that much. Just conserve your emotions and don't spiral out. Name. Okay, there we go. Tech and Money. You and I are seeing the same thing. Boff 320s. There you go. Use that daily. It's the penny stocks. Use that daily. Yes, Tech and Money, and well, actually, I don't know if Fat G is in the Discord, but Tech and Money is. And let me send you guys my Discord because I have like 2,000 people on my Discord, and barely a few of you guys chat. So let me send you guys. Oh frick. So let me send you guys an invite, and you guys can join the Discord and ask me any questions you guys need. So I'm gonna post it here on. Wait, let me make sure I copy the right Discord, not my course Discord. Yeah. So here's my Discord links. If you guys have any questions at all, go ahead and ask on the Discord. If you guys are still training for the day when I get off, you guys hop on the Discord. I know Dragon Trader's there a lot, Blair's there a lot, Tech and Money's there a lot. A couple of you guys are there a lot as well, but Rome C is there a lot. So you guys don't leave each other talking to yourself, talking. Don't leave each other talking by yourself. Does that make sense? What I'm trying to say? And still, any questions you guys can jump in on there and ask me. What website are you using? Thinkorswim is the website. TD Ameritrade is the platform. GNS, I'm still holding some. I'm kind of getting tempted that $5 are going to keep holding on this stock. So here goes GNS again. I'm telling you, I'm scared this $5 are going to keep holding on GNS. Anyways. Quick question on Tesla. Do you mainly use market orders? Yes, I only use market orders. I don't use any limit orders at all. No limit orders at all on Tesla. What? Watch for a big drop on Boff like I did earlier in the day. So let me look at Boff. Are you in short? Clutch trades? Do you short at all? Let me see. Zelbond, I did not see your comment. Sorry. Tesla forming a bear flag. I think for Tesla right now, I knew that this thing could just be trapped today. And so for Tesla right now, my next play would be out of 143.75 to the top side or under 141.26 to the bottom side. And mentioning that it's a range day, a trap day, that it just cannot move either direction, that's when you start to think, oh, this thing could break out. This thing is going to hold this level. You kind of switch your bias. So here, top side, this is the resistance. You're like, no, it's not going to break it. Let's look for the double top, right? So you look for the double top. Then down here, I mentioned if you lose this 141, you could drop. But maybe it's a range that, let's just take the trade at 141, bounce it, try to catch that bounce. And this is what it's going to do all day long. So instead of, going for the breakout retest, go for the, let me look for that double bottom. Let me look for that triple bottom and have a tight stop. Don't buy here, and if it goes to 140, 139, 138, you're still holding, right? Take a trade there. Your stop could be $1 underneath, something like that. Rome C saying market still looks bullish to him. I think it looks bullish if Tesla holds all day today. Like, if SPY holds all day today or maybe pops again above 400. But if all of these stocks go sideways today after that huge move yesterday and then still holds today, I think that looks bullish. It's really hard for a stock to go 4 or 5 days green in a row, right? That at that point, yeah, you're gonna have a big move down. But if you go 2 or 3 days like Tesla did, or 2 big days, and then you go sideways for that whole day today, that looks bullish. Tomorrow could get another run. SPY also, a lot of people are calling out that downtrend on the daily. If you look at the downtrend on daily on SPY, oh, wrong place. Right here on the daily. Let me go ahead and do this. Create drawing set. So, everybody is calling out this on SPY. The biggest downtrend of all downtrends of mega downtrends right there, SPY. This is exactly where we are on the daily. If we break out of here, I'm not saying this is going to go for new highs, but if we break this trend line, we will definitely pop up maybe 420, 430, 440. If we break this trend line here, then it's game over. We're going down to 200s. Just kidding, not 200s, but yeah, I mean, this is what everybody's looking at. So right now, we're still in it. We still bullish up to that line, and we could double top to 4.2 high, could double top to 4.3 high, but GNS back down to 5. Please get out of 5. And OTRK, I got so lucky. I covered some just because I was getting patient, and then I actually ended up covering it at the perfect time. I literally covered it right here. Maybe other shorts did the same thing. Gotcha, makes sense. I might walk for now. A couple scalps on Tesla, averaging 10 cents per scalp. That's good. One thing that I do want to point out to you guys is when I trade small caps, I'm scalping 10, 20, 30 cents. I try to get those quick profit, quick scalps. When I'm trading Tesla, I started doing that when I first did it, and honestly, I probably could sit here and scalp Tesla all day, but it's gonna be hard to scale up. It's gonna be hard, if I'm scalping Tesla, it's gonna be hard to go from 500 shares to scalp Tesla with 2,000 shares. I could get a flush every once in a while. I could take three or four red scalps and then be in the hole $6,000 or something like that. It's gonna be hard. I think the best way to trade the large caps is to look for the next big move. Look for the next big support and resistance. There goes freaking GNS. So look for the next big trade, right? You know, like today, Tesla. Yeah, I could have scalped it here long, here short, there long, but when I found my long trade, I got most of this move. And when I took the short trade, I literally got that move. That's a good trade. That's something I can scale in, right? Because then I could take, next time I could take, you know, even contracts or options. I could take 40, 50 contracts here. Stop is right over high. Take that trade back down. That's a nice trade there. GNS is losing my patience, man. I don't have the shorting patience that short experts do. I'm not a short expert yet. Is level 2 required for day trading stocks, or could you get by without? You could probably get by without it, but I wouldn't recommend it. I think you should learn it and at least be able to look at it every once in a while. I don't look at it as much, and as a matter of fact, I don't look at it at all when I'm trading the large caps. I don't know that it would help me. I haven't done it, so I don't know that it really would help me at all. So, oh, there you go. Kevin answered it perfectly. Not required, but highly recommended. Yeah, you would learn a lot with it. And then Tekken Money specializes more in small caps. So in small caps, I definitely do think that level 2 will help you. I think level 2 in small caps is definitely a must. In large caps, I don't think that it would help you that much. Honestly, if I'm being honest with you. Thank you guys for answering that question for him as well. Both SPY and QQQQ currently holding their previous highs, and SPY holding above its 200 moving average for the first time in a long time. Yeah, I could see us still running. Like I said, Rosie, I could see us break that huge daily downtrend just so everybody can shut up about it, or have broken it, and everybody can forget about that trend line and just start a new trend line on SPY. Anyone else see that 390,000 share order on GNS? I did not, but hopefully that's true. BOF spiked again. BOF, I don't know how much this is going to go. This is looking interesting for shorts now. Let me see. Um, I use a lot of them, so mainly daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. BOF shares are 3 cents a piece. I kind of want to get some BOF shares, but I really want to wait for the stock to show me weakness now, so I'm going to... Whoa. BOF, I could see one last push here, maybe here through 350, but I'm not just going to add. Tesla is breaking that 143, somebody just mentioned, 143.75, so... BOF, I'm interested in some shares short up here on BOF. Man, today's the day that I've taken the most shorts overall in general. Like, I've never traded 4 tickers short before. I'm still holding GNS, and I'm looking to get some starters here on BOF if I get the push through 350, maybe blow off top. This is pulling back low volume, holding 323, so I gotta be a little careful here. Tesla, you see how out of that 143.75 it accelerates to that level, and then once it gets above it, it just goes and runs a little bit. You're not going to expect a big run this later in the day, lunch hours, getting close to lunch hours, but you know. So I'm looking for B off one last push. This 323 level. Oh, I got it finally. Anybody taking that Tesla long there after that 143.75 instantly got to that level and starts going for it. Why is there so much abnormal strength? Just market, man. Everybody thought this thing was going to sell off, so it did the complete opposite, and now it's rallying. Getting a lot of people out the way. GNS, I'm still short on that one. My stop is literally above that consolidation right there, like 527.28 or something. So I've gotten like almost stopped out by like 2 pennies twice. But I'm looking for GNS to really get under $5 and hopefully that thing finally lose $5 eventually. If GNS loses $5, this thing could be an all-day fader now. Every buyer is gonna lose interest. Be off. I want to see if this thing breaks out of 350 here, and then see if there's a switch of momentum, and then more people start piling in short on this one. So I'm watching BF. There's 350. Do I get the break of 350? Oh, come on, bro. No way. That would have been a quick trade there at 350. Oh my gosh. That thing dropped so fast. It went 350 down to almost $3. It's a 50-cent drop. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking at. Checking money. But now this confirmed that sellers are in. So I got a good amount of shares on this one. I could look for the next lower high on this one and see if I can get a good trade on this one. Look for the next low, maybe top out here, get a nice move back down to VWAP or something like that. What did you think about longing test that previous day close? What? You filled right at 350? You got in at 350? Clutch trades? Man, you're clutch, bro. You're clutch for that fill if you filled right at 350. Dang. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Can you repeat that question again, Dark Mix? What what do you think about long and test at previous day close? Like now, or like what did I think when I took the trade earlier? Because I think 143.75 is previous day close. Oh, it's yeah, you could find a trade there. Might drop a little below it. Be expected to either check it a little bit, add there, or maybe a little bit lower, but not a bad trade at 143.75, same level you're watching all morning. Oh, yeah, no, I was looking for this. I don't ever use limit orders, so I was looking for this one to go 350, maybe 360, you know, pop up, blow off over 350, and then take the short up there, but I didn't get it, man. But dang, I thought you nailed it. I was like, oh my gosh, it's crazy. BXRX holding 460 now, I do see it. be off. You can see the big momentum and change here. GNS, I'm still holding GNS. What is up with this stock? I might descale a little bit on GNS just because I don't want to lose a lot of profit on this one. If it fades, I'll fade it down with smaller share size, but how many shares do I got? Let's see. Okay. Okay. I like this. I like this. I like this. I did take a decent sized loss yesterday on my short account though, so I'm green today, decently green, but not quite all of yesterday. So I am still red compared to yesterday, but that's okay. So there's that. I think I got fully out of OTRK, so I'm only in on GNS and BOF on the short side right now. Hey, whoever was asking for that 143.75 on Tesla, you know that level was so important this morning. Look at it just now. I haven't changed a single thing on my chart, and look at this. Like it was literally to the penny on Tesla right there. It literally went exactly to the penny. There you go, man. There you go, Dark Mix. When you start looking at levels like that on large caps and stop scalping, you start ignoring the noise. And what I mean by that is you start literally not like zoning out of that stock. Hold on, I'm still short on BF. Actually, I'm getting pretty close now. If this thing keeps dropping here, to have a decent green day today here on my shorting account too. I effed up yesterday and didn't trade with the trend. You know, I did it too though. I shorted like 3 or 4 times on Tesla yesterday. They were the small trades that were almost break even, but I did try going against the trend. I just didn't think early on in the day that Tesla was gonna do that yesterday, and that's okay. That happens all the time. Hold on, be off. Sorry, I'm just gonna let them do their thing. I could see this one still drop a little more. Um, hopefully. So when you start looking at the levels on the big stocks, you know, you start kind of ignoring the noise, right? So this morning, 143 level was it, and then 141. Kind of saw this. This wick is all I'm seeing. This wick is all I'm seeing. I'm ignoring all of this. You know, I kind of just ignore it. You know, I'm seeing that stuff, seeing that stuff. I'm seeing the third attempt. Okay, there we go. I'm long, right? Take that long. And then, you know, 146.5 now is my next level. So now here, I'm like, GNS, can you get under 5 bucks? Oh, look at GNS. Look at GNS. Look at GNS. What the heck? We got the break of 5. But We got the break of 5. We got the break of 5. I covered some. I'm still holding this thing. This thing better go all the way down to freaking Earth. So I got stopped out on B off. Had a tight stop on that one. Was kind of scared. But I am still short GNS and I'm holding some. Anyways, um, for the bananas, please, bro. I'm eating a banana. Don't watch me, man. How should you get? Whoever said they're 15 and want to learn, man, just start watching people trade. Start watching recaps. Start, looking at all these stuff, learning things. You can learn a lot by just watching other people and stuff. And then eventually, when you can open your account, you can start doing it in real time yourself. Or if you even have a parent that wants to open an account, you don't have to put money in, maybe 50 bucks at the most, and you can start trading paper money, and then do it that way as well. Pinche chango, bro. Soy un chango, bro. Juan, you from Texas? I am in Texas, yes. How many shares short? Barely have any now. Let's see. GNS held the right at yesterday's close. Calling it for now. I got destroyed today. Sergio, that's okay, man. Get it, get it. You got it. As far as what I was saying on Tesla, when you start looking at the bigger levels on these stocks, you start ignoring the noise. It's like the third time I come back to this topic, right? So again, here, kind of traded that thing, start avoiding it. Okay, do I make a lower high? Do I want to squeeze? Let's take, because I think it's a range today. Let's take that short trade there. I take that short trade there. Goes. I mean, I get fully out early. I think I got excited for being $1,000 on the trade there. And then pulls down exactly to my level. And then here it's again, you start blocking out the noise. I know this is my level and I know this is my next level. So at, at this point, this is all being like, I see it on my side chart and I'm like, okay, cool. Pulls down to that level. I think again on chat, I was like, hey, watch that level. You could fail, catch the trade down, or you could catch the bounce. So you start watching it, and then again kind of ignore it, does the same thing, and then again watching it, and then again went for like 10 50 minutes, and I'm like, okay, I'm ignoring you. I don't see you. I'm not scalping you. I'm not taking that trade. If I want to take the trade through here, my entry should be this buy and that sell in that range box. Take the range box, but not in between. Once it gets to my level again, you're like, okay, now this is interesting. Let's watch it again. Start there, and then this could have been that next trade there, and then you start blocking out everything else. Right now, I don't have interest on it. If I was in the trade, I should have been in right here. If not, then this thing could keep going. Now, next level, maybe this 145, just a little resistance there. So between 143 and 145. And that goes for every stock. SPY could be the same thing today. Haven't been watching SPY that much today, but I guarantee you it's doing the same thing around 399 or 400 bucks. So let's go see. So let's see. SPY. Oh, this one's harder. This one's trickier. I see this. Support. Tried losing it, reclaimed it. Tried losing it, reclaimed it. Support. And then today's high could be up here, but yeah, this one's trickier. No clean trades there, so I'm glad I didn't trade that. 1K on Tesla, that's good. 4 figs on it. Yeah, I closed it exactly at $1,000. So, and then I didn't take another trade. So, but hopefully I start getting these $1,000 to $2,000 days. That's what I'm kind of looking for. I didn't actually step up size that much today, so that's a good trading with small size. I took the trade long. Let's see. I took the trade long. I think 600 shares. Oh wait, no, 6, 7, 8, 9, 900 shares long, and then the nice short was 400 shares short. So this is the one that I could have taken 600, 900, 1,000, and I got just off of that a $3 move. So sold. I did a good job of holding majority. So sold the quarter and then held. I should have known to be off, look for the lower high there. I should have gone back in there. right here. I should have taken another short stab there. GNS, I'm still holding some. It's the only short open that I got here. At this point, I don't want this thing to hold at all. If I could get this thing to drop back down to literally $4, I'll take it. Let's see. Let's see. Rule number 1: never make eye contact with another man while eating a banana. Does that mean I gotta look at the camera for you guys? Austin, Texas. Let's go. Hey, I'm actually pretty close to Austin. Rome, Mara flush right on support. Yes, you. I think you were. Somebody was calling Mara today. There we go. And then Mara again. Well, kind of doing similar what market is overall, but Mara on 4 days strong right now. It could be heading towards a top on Mara, so be careful. If you're going long, if you're going short, buying puts, maybe week, 2 weeks out. If you get a good entry, you could catch this thing move down, but you get a little bit more room maybe, or quick stop if you do take a short. And Hutto, Texas, what's up? There you go, there you go. Have you ever heard of Mark Moss one? No, no idea who this guy is. A Future Without Cash with Mark Moss. Build, grow, and protect, financial and personal. Texas has to be so cheap. I'm here in New York City where prices are through the roof. Yeah, they are cheap. I see all those. I know I live here, so I know they are. But like, I see all those TikTok videos, and they're all like, "What can you buy with 500,000 on freaking New York?" It's like freaking apartment, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, like no kitchen, stuff like that. And then Texas, 500,000. Oh my God, you got a mansion, pool in the backyard, football field, soccer field in the backyard. You got front yard driveway parking for 7 cars. You got indoor parking for 3 cars in the garage. You got 5 rooms, 4 bedroom, five bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. You got 2 living rooms. You got a theater inside. Ow. Clutch Strays, you're out. Great content as always. Appreciate you. Thank you, man. Thanks for being in here. Clutch Strays. See you, man. See you tomorrow. Hey, A.S. Smith. A.S. Smith, thank you for saying that. Everybody on TikTok, I do have my Discord link in the bio. I do help out a lot of you guys. If you guys need any help at all, just come and ask me, and I will help you guys get started. GNS, I'm still short. Didn't cover any more. At this point, I kind of want to literally put a stop and forget about the stock and come back at 259 to close my position and see where it's at. Let me see though. I would have to put stop over 5. That would only make sense. I put a little high, 508. Give it some room. Actually, 506. No, 507. In case it wants to spike to 505, maybe an extra penny, 506. So I'm right there, 507. So I got stop on that one there. BXRX is the one that pain today. Pain. I thought this is, let me show you guys my chart. I thought this thing was gonna do the same thing that this other stock did. Other stocks did. Here's BXRX. I sold, and literally scratch break even trade there. It's so annoying. And this thing literally went from my entry of like 610 down to, oh my gosh, like $5 if I held. Be off again for another leg. Oh my gosh. Be off is not done. I think I lost my mind. Um, Boff is still going. Is anybody still trading Boff long? I traded Apple and Meta both longs and green today too. Good job, Jims. Nice. Gotta like that. I'm liking Tesla so far. Anybody still trading Boff long today? Bro, in Oregon, 1500, one room, no yard, crappy weather. Bro, it's been cold here now. Finally, kind of sucks though, 'cause I want to go play some pickleball and now I can't. It's too cold. Or just toughen it up. Let me see, Kevin. Well, BXRX make a new low today. Hey, there you go, Sergio. You had a rough day and now you just nailed that trade. Good stuff. Might move down to San Marcos in a month. So I'm originally from San Antonio. Kevin, how old am I? Chat should know how old am I. How old am I, chat? Does anybody actually know and remember how old I am? Because maybe I don't remember how old I am. Blair got it, but he's on Tradecaster, so he can't see. Kevin, no, I am not 22. Always good to watch you doing this. Thank you, Muhammad. Bull trap, it's below moving average, so still bearish. Boff is the only one that I could still see GNS pulling back up, actually, but that's okay on GNS. Chicago Trader, 28. Dang, do I look that old, bro? Cubit, I look 26 to you, bro? If anything, I get the opposite. Everybody's like, bro, you're 21, dude. What are you talking about? I can't help you there. I don't even know how old I am. Name got it right over on YouTube, and then Blair obviously got it right on Tradecaster. I thought so, James, but Tradecaster is the one behind. BXRX new lows. Dang. Let me see. I don't even want to look at this stock, dude. I was in short. Oh my god. I missed so much on this one. So much on this one. Red to green. What's up, man? How you doing, man? Did you go red to green today? Bro, red to green, look at this. I haven't posted it on that other Discord because everybody gets mad and upset. Actually, let me import today's trades. Import files, save it. Wait, was that the right save? It looked different. Let me go ahead and go import trade. Import trades. Go over to January 24th. Upload. Journal. Bro, check this out, red to green. No, I'm 24. Bro, check this out, man. Sam 100%. Dude, stop exposing me, bro. Stop exposing me, dude. Why do you think I cover the top left of my screen with my momentum scanner? It's because it's Sim. It shows it up there. Were you in DS's room? What is DS's room? Bro, this is crazy. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days until an augury month. Technically, if I look at it like by days, most months have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one a little bit more. So 4 weeks and 3 days. So most months have 4 weeks and maybe an extra 3 days at the most. Maybe I don't know how I don't know how months work. This one right here's got 21 trading days. This one right here's got 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's got 23 trading days. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 21 trading days. This one's got 1, 2, 3, 21 trading days. Oh my God, May's got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 23. So between 21, is that how it usually is? Oh, no, this one's got exactly 20 days here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 23, 23 trading days. So most of these stocks have most of these months have 23 at the most trading days. And right now, if I go back to 2022, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I thought I put 21 yesterday for my video. 21. Was it 21 today and not 21 yesterday? Did I lose track of something? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, that's 6 green days. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I lied, bro. I lied on my YouTube thumbnail yesterday. Oh, that sucks. I don't know how Dick did. I can't see his. Red to green. I want to see your month. Show me. Yeah, most months have 20 to 23 trading days. So, amazing green streak. Thank you, Rumsey. Oh, yeah, you can show it on Discord. Post it on Discord. I forgot you can't post stuff on here. GNS, I'm still holding short. This thing is right back down. It came back up to 5 almost and right back down. Yeah, but I guess I'm sitting at 21 now. And my previous green streak was 2021 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18, now I'm sitting at 21. Hold on, I want to check out BOF. I want to check BOF because this stock keeps going straight up like this. 200. Actually, we got a big daily candle over here with a lot of volume sitting at 423. If this thing gets a blow off top to $4 and kind of 420s, there we go. Let's see red and green's P&L chart or month. Let me see. We shall see. Oh, there we go. Okay. Good stuff. 2 red days. Okay, what do I gotta do here? Alright, so I'm probably almost done trading today. BOF. Oh, here goes BOF. I want BOF short again. I want another short on BOF if I can get it. If this thing wants to go right up to 420s, I will short that double top on the daily at 423 on BOF. BOF, how many shorts locates do I have? BOF, okay, got it. If BOF goes straight through 410, 420, I will click some shorts on BOF up here. I'm looking for the squeeze on BOF through $4. See if I can get it. I want to see a push through $4 on BOF. And then add the share size in above 4. 423 could be my stop on BOF, so. Or at least my entry where I really want it as close as possible to. GNS is still pulling back on down again, so. BOF starting to get heavy a little bit, but I want one more push through this thing. GNS right back down to lows. I like it. BOF. Let's see if we get the push through 4 and I can add size on this one. Short. 423, I see a clean daily pivot, 423 there. A lot of volume that day and big spike to 423. So I'm seeing if I get a blow off top through 4, 410, 420, hit that short up there and see if I can catch this thing to push on down for me. It's already acting a little heavy, so here goes, push through 4. Do I get the push through 4? Do I get the squeeze through 4? Wow, GNS is still dropping. Awesome. Huh. BOF cannot get through 4 there. That's fine with me, but most traders go broke trading pennies. Okay, I could see this here we go. I could see this blowing through right here. Watch. There goes 398, 399. Did not break 4. Did not break 4 yet. No ads yet. 30 seconds holding, not rejecting that much. I could see this thing rip through 4 still. Just buyers did not come in there at all. I don't know. BOF is just dying here. Like this could rip through 4. Here it goes. Or this could flush a pretty good 10 to 15, 20 cents down from here. How much is this stock up? Does it say 150% today? The heck? There's no limit to how much stocks have been going up today. Alright, recently, literally. 200%, 400%, 1000% GNS. This one 150%. Crazy, crazy. If this goes through 4, it might actually break a little more than I think because it's just consolidating. So shorts are coming in here. And if it breaks through 4, this actually might go past 420s. But I am small size here at 4, looking to cover as soon as this thing shows me strength if it wants to break out. If not, I could catch a nice little bit of rejection here already. Nice pullback. Maybe 360 area, 350 area here. There's red on the tape, and you start seeing that pullback here. Here's where I got to catch the nice fall back down. If 4 wants to be the top resistance, it's got to go down right here. Here it goes, nice pull down here. Maybe get a nice flush out of this bottom there. It wants to. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. There's a new candle making you low. Keep this pressure going. Keep that pressure going. Keep that pressure going. Keep this pressure going down low. Keep this pressure going down low. Get it past 380 here. Forced to be bracket width. See, this is what I mean. As soon as you get to these areas here, it looks like you're watching paint dry. It's so slow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Keep dropping, baby. Keep dropping. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. This trade itself right here is about to be my biggest winner today. I want this thing to go back down to 350. Away from this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What's my short entry? 389. 389 right here. I was risking $4 squeeze. And then was looking to re-enter 420s, but I got here at 4, right under 4. B-off has been uptrending a lot today, and so I want to see if we could just get a nice crack of trend line here. So this is one kind of where I was like, oh, I'm just going to take it. If I get squeezed, I'll stop at right above 4. Sometimes that happens, you know, stop out, it gets 420, then smash a full share size up there, which is that daily pivot that I was looking at. But I was like, I'm just going to take the stab here, and I think that's how shorting kind of has to go, you know. You take the stab, if it squeezes, you stop out real quick, no hesitation. But if you start getting the flush, then, you know, the reward to the risk is a lot better. The pair that you trading got on, this is BIAF, B-I-A-F. My average 389. $389, and I'm still holding good share size here. I do want to see this thing down to 350 though. And honestly, if this thing was to crack this huge trend line here on the day and get on the backside of this, that would be even better. Then I could just put a stop and forget about it as well. Kind of what I did with GNS. GNS, I'm holding it like 520s average. 530s average, sorry. I got a 530 average on GNS. Watching B-off, watching for the potential squeeze here. pretty focused on this trade, guys. I hear the chat going, but give me a second. I need to get to 320. Juan, where did you get your shares to short this? Guardian? Do you not have any? They're pretty cheap too. I like this. Lower high. Let's see if we can get a nice push back down again. What's up, Chico? What's up, everybody coming in? Rome C alerting long SATX at 180, looking for mid twos. Okay. SATX. I don't think I've even seen it. Brad King, what broker do you have? There we go. There we go. Get me down to 350. There we go. There we go. Get this trend line crack here. Get me down to 350. Alright, I took a little more off because I'm not patient, but I want to just see if this thing wants to fade back down all day or just stop me out. As high as 384, okay. Yeah, Brad King, what broker do you have though? When did my trading journey begin? 2020. Summer 2020 is when I started learning, and then I started trading end of 2020. Let me look at SATX, Rome C. What time is it? It's 10:40. It's time to get off, bro. I was up like 1K like 3 hours ago. Oh, dang. Talk about a dead cat bounce, Rome C. Good stuff, Rosendo. Good stuff. See you mañana, Chango. Mono, Chango. What was I looking at? Do y'all hate when that happens? Be off. Like, you literally just blank out on which ticker you were looking at. E-Trade TD. Okay. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4. I took 4 shorts today. 4 tickets short. And the only one that I'm red on is the stupid one that probably would have made me the most money. BXRX. Right here. I shorted and I stopped at right there. Negative $10 loss. Break even trade there. So dumb. So dumb. But I had 4 shorts. Now, if I was to close everything right now, I'd wipe out yesterday's huge loss. So I'd recover all of it if I close right now. But I'm hoping BF pulls down a little more, and then GNS. I'm still holding GNS short, 530 average, and it's down to 460. So. But anyways, man, still keeping the all green month. Come on, BF flush. Literally my last 30 days is insane. Like my last, actually, oh dang it, I got stopped out on BF. Dang it, didn't want to get stopped out, but this thing could go past 4 again. Here we go. Watching BF, if it goes up to 420s, I might be looking for a re-entry. Look at this stock down here. Look at this 5-minute chart. Just today is up 130%. Look, this is my last 30 days. I've never seen a last 30 days like this. This is crazy. Look at that. Pretty crazy, pretty crazy. Now I'm not stopping. How can you short on Thinkorswim? You cannot short on Thinkorswim. You can short easy to borrow ones, but not anything else. Thinkorswim is pretty bad as a shorting broker, so I do have a different broker, and that's what I have up here. So if I I can't show you because I have to pop it out and whatever. But I do use another broker. Hold on, do you have a video on how your Thinkorswim is set up, like charts level 2? Yeah, I have one on YouTube. I can look for it and send you the link for it on Discord. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it. I mean, I'm still holding GNS short 530s average, but other than that, I think I'm gonna call it decently green today right now. Even if I take my profit on GNS right now, or if it keeps dropping, it's still decently green. But other than that, guys, I think I'm gonna call it. I've been streaming for a while, 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes, and up over $1,000. I'll take that any day. Yeah, man, call it a day. Way to go, man. Great equity curve for real, man. That 30-day time frame chart looks crazy. Anyways, oh, look at me off. Anyways, if any, check BTB. What is BTB? Is BTB a stock? BTB, nothing on that. No volume. Going sideways. Not interested. Everybody on TikTok, everybody on Tradecaster YouTube, if you guys are new and complete beginners, you guys see me trade live every single day, up over 1,000. Not a single red day this whole month, 2023 year. If you guys want to learn, I do offer a course, 150 off with the discount, no spaces, 150 off. You guys can find it on my Discord, my TikTok bio link, anywhere. If you guys have any questions about it, come and ask me. There goes B off again. Stupid B off. Breaking that trend line though, but any questions at all, you guys find me on my Discord. If you guys want to check out my recaps every single day on YouTube, every single day I post a recap and go over all the trades, why I traded them, where I got out, I got in, all that stuff. You know what? I think I'm just gonna fully close GNS. I'm happy with that trade. It's coming back up, and I don't want this thing to reclaim. I don't want this thing to reclaim $5. So, okay, I'll take that. I'll take that today. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be done for the day. You guys take care. You guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate all of you guys being here. Have a good one.